Reflection moves, but it's not me. A stranger shaped in clarity. Each breath I take dissolves the line between what's yours and what is mine. There's comfort in this endless fall. No ground at all. I'm weightless where the pain begins. I drown and call it peace within. Falling in the rain, I'm alive and undone. Kissing the dirt where I come undone. Every drop remembers my name. Falling in the rain, I'm not the same. Let me home again. The thunder hums beneath my chest. Each heartbeat drowns the rest. Love once burned, now fades to steam. A dying God inside a dream. I whisper truth, but it melts away. The words can't stand, they start to sway. So let me break